In this video, I'll show you how to turn a PDF into a booklet and either save it as a booklet PDF and print it, or print it directly. Open Adobe Acrobat and load your PDF document. Go to the File menu and click Print. By default, the print mode is set to Size for Full Page Printing. Change this to Booklet, select both sides, keep the default settings, and make sure the binding is set to left because booklets open from the left. If your printer supports duplex printing, select Print on both sides so the pages flip correctly, with the front cover on the right and the last page on the back. You can scroll through the preview to confirm the page order is correct. If you want to save the booklet as a PDF first, choose Adobe PDF as the printer and click Print. Acrobat will generate a new PDF in booklet format ready to print anytime. Once the booklet PDF is created, open it, go back to File, Print, and choose your physical printer. Make sure it's set to print on both sides and flip on the short edge, then print your booklet. And that's it. Your booklet is ready to go. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.